abantu bangaphandle abamakuli le company ama-security njengoba nibona-ke uvaliwe-ke umgwaqo manje uvaliwe-ke umgwaqo lapha-ke eTsakani uvaliwe-ke nje abafune muntu-ke abantu abafune muntu nje ozodlula-ke umphakathi bafune muntu ozodlula njengamanje ngoba kuvaliwe nje kuvala amathaya yabona nje imoto mina nje iphindele emuva ngoba ungibuka nje lapha emva kamnazi imoto nazi imoto kodwa-ke zizobuyela emuva or bazozama ukudlula ngala kodwa nje kuvaliwe ngempela njengokubona nje amatshe kuvala umgwaqo omkhulu lapha eTsakani amaphoyisa bakhala ngokuthi amaphoyisa ayababukela awenzi lutho kodwa uma bethatha u-action azoqala lapho-ke balwiseke ona-ke lwise bona abantu bangaphandle abaneyibhamu engekho emthethweni njengoba sekudutshulwe nje ingane yesikole ebikhona lokhuze ebikhona kwimashi bafethu ake sambeni so-check-ayo ngathi-ke iy'ngane zibambe imashi enzima kabi lapha iy'ngane lapha naza nje lapha phambili so ngathi babambe imashi enzima kabi abantwana besikole so I think sihambe siyobheka khona sibone ukuthi-ke benza njani.
Ngiqale ngibingelele lapho uGama Mthunzi Sithole sengikhona la eTsakani kwaTraduza sihlanganisile namhlanje ngoba sibe siloke sisho ukuthi abahambe abantwana bayafa badla ama-poison bayabulawa ngama-Pakistani nama-Somali la eTsakani Thangi-ke uphindile futhi elinye i-Pakistani la dobula omunye umntwana la 11 so bekunepasa izolo i-organization abantwana laba besikolo amaphoyisa ngabantu babona nje bebhizi kangaka izolo bebebhizi bedubula bona labantwana omunye ngiyambona nje nangu sikhona umsiko think umlungu khona la ebekhona nje beshaya isibhamu ngempela lapha eMamelodi izolo so namhlanje umphakathi waseTsakani uvuke wathi no kumele kwenziwe i-shutdown because lokho sakhuluma but ugovernment wethu akasimameli so abantwana baloke baqhubeka bayafa sa-witnessa but bona instead ukuthi babophe labantu labo kumele ngabe bababopha babhizi bagijimisana nala bantwana labo and abababophi babadubula futhi into engiyibone I have videos engazishare nawe engizishuta izolo khona la elokishini
ungasiza futhi usisharele njengamanje umbuzo wami mfethu ulana-ke abantwana yesterday what were they protesting about is yesterday
angithi yonke umuntu une-organization nawo la ma-Pakistani sikhuluma ngawo ane-organization mangabe kushiswa i-Pakistan eliyi-1 bayavuthana bonke beze bazo-addressa leyo so nayo ipaso i-organization yabantwana bala angazi ukuthi umzansi wonke but la e-Israel i-active kunepaso vele bazilwela abantwana because njengoba sibona ukuthi bayafa but akunamzwalo ophakamayo up until kuze kube umntwana walowo muntu loyo so abantwana izolo bebethi bayiphakamela ukuthi phela kwazi kuloke kubulawa abantwana njalo mangabe bangafaka ngalokudla ngala snacks every sina snack group eshare yonke le information from isiphoyisa sinabo labantu egroupini but no one is doing anything about it and abantwana mabethi baphuma ama-budget ama-600 million bajahe labantwana kuyekwe laba ababulala that's why sila today le shutdown ngoba sisho ukuthi asahlehli iqalile manje sikade siloke simasha but i-government yethu invest so much ukuthi bavikele bona labantu laba esithi abaphume so namhlanje sithi from today onwards siyayivala eTsakani akuhambi umuntu sizoyivala labantwana bayabuya and sizoyenza sure ukuthi vele akekho umuntu ozohamba kule mgwaqo eseTsakani from today onwards
njengamanje abantwana basemgwaqeni ngiyezwa njengamanje basemgwaqeni ama-learners
khona badistebhekile njengalabo bakhona kule sikolo leso sisale 11 obviously vele from izolo abafundi kune-chaos badinga i-attention from sona lesiphoyisa lesi or from someone else from government ukuthi abuye azobuza ukuthi why good cheap ukubulala umntwana se-South Africa but mangabe kumele sidefende kuya ibudget enkulu ukuthi kudefendwe labantu sifuna ukwazi ukuthi lokho kwenzeka kanjani but abanye abantwana basasene-order basey'kolweni because sifuna ukubona abantwana vele begcwele istrad is not our mandate but if isimo sifika kule simo esikuso today ukuthi vele siyabona ukuthi abantwana baqhubeka babulawa sibhekile so anathi asingeke sibavimbe ukuthi bangeze estradini and siyashoda yabona njengamanje shoda ngensizwa ihleli lapho sikhululekile lapho ihleli khona cela bomama because yibo abantu abazela abaconcern nayo le genge lethengiwe ngeimali ukuthi izomela bona labantu labo khamba.
Yebo. Sibona ama-security njengamanje abavikela abantu bokufika abhizi njengamanje.
Ngithi ama-security imali yiyo esebenzayo na bhuti.
Yebo.
Labantu banemali even Ramaphosa lapha ekhona bamnika whatever leyo abamnika yona ukuthi vele bangena. Bonke laba banikwa imali. Security amanzi amancane nabo basebenzela ukuthi badle at the end of the day. Ukuthi babulale bani as long as bona badlile. That's what matters to them right now. Motho uyayibuza ukuthi security ngazo ufunanda ngoba phela sibelwa umntwana odutshuliwe nokuthi labantu abahamba. Security yini umsebenzi wayo lapho uzobona khona ukuthi imali yiyo le esibeke lapho sikhona today. Noma umuntu engafa but because kuzophuma imali from lapho e-police lo muntu lo sombona futhi aphinde abuye la azovula le shop le lapho umntwana abulawe khona or adlengwe khona. Wonke umuntu uyazi sasemagruphini information sayishare as much as we can but asiboni next enzekayo especially la itsakane la la itsakane la wafika uphakela umthakathi last month besikhona thina and washo ukuthi uzobuya uzosebenzisana nathi because kune corruption enkulu khona lapha esithembele khona ukuthi mangabe sinenkinga elokishini sogijimela khona but inkinga ngathi khona lapha kakhulu yabo nami ngiyakhuluma nje maybe lokugcina kodwa mina ke angisaba ukufa
Buta sibonga kakhulu ithuba siphatha namhlanje.
Sibonga. Kumele wonke lo mphakathi lo.
Xhosa. Nekhona I think Maduna. Size si much and much basically. City abahambe as well and we are representing Ikwatsaduza community forum as well. So we are here because we heard the cry from abantwana. You understand? Ukuthi one of their peers has been shot and there's no justice done. Uyabona, so la singabazali siphume ngeenkalo because izolo baphumile abantwana uyabona and they took it to the streets and abantwana they were shot at amaphoyisa. You understand? So we feel as abazali abantwana bethu they are vulnerable uma behamba babodwa hence siphumile namuhla because we need ukuthi ngathi bazophuma futhi. I just want to get it out there. Abantwana bakhishwanga abazali kodwa abazali bala to basically barricade abantwana to protect them because abantwana uma bebodwa baba vulnerable to ama security companies who are getting paid by ama foreigners because izolo kuzwiwe ukuthi bebagijimiswa ama security companies badubula namaphoyisa ngapha abadubula abantwana they are unarmed. So thina kuyasiphazilisha ukuthi singabazali ukuthi abantwana bafuna justice kodwa they are getting shot at by abazali babo. I believe ukuthi amaphoyisa nabo abazali babo. So we are here to protect these kids ukuthi bangabadubuli. So ene kubonakele namuhla njengoba sila abadutshulwanga labantwana labo because we are here meaning ukuthi injustice is done when umzali engekho. Yes.
No asibonga kakhulu mama and nina ke njengamanje ngokwini njengamanje nisamikilelo ophuzu lelo ukuthi abahambe ngiyeza ukuthi nihambile naye police station or submit memorandum but ayiphendulanga.
Not even once or twice. The memorandum has been submitted 3 times at police station but there's no response. We understand even now we were engaging with the police station commander kuba ngathi asazi lutho with what is happening. Imagine the station commander singazi I detective who's heading the case yomntana odutshuliwe. We had to find out from the pops. I-pops yiyo efonile to find out ukuthi ubani u-detective or header i-case meaning they are neglecting their jobs. They are not doing their jobs.
Yes. Asibonga kakhulu mama mthambe mesingathola umntwana oyedwa nje ongabe esichazele nje kabanzi.
Izwe lethu Africa. Good morning all. My name is Bonkosi Twala from Extension 8 Mbongeni Mkukutu. We have a complaint here. We are crying for our student Lena. Is dead at site 22. So lo mntana ubule ngathi kusola ngathi ubulela amakhula. So sisifuna information ukuthi kahle kahle ikwenzakala because masifike amaphoyiseni abasitshele information ephelele. So as abantwana besikole Mbongeni Mkukutu zonke izikolo sifuna like information basitshele into straight because masiya kubo basitshele ukuthi lento siyenza i wrong. Kanjani one of our school learners like ulimele. So like makulimelele nesilimele sona because all as ama schools asekho safe. Manje abantwana badubula badutshuliwe lapha lesuthu. Amaphoyisa wanayo right ukuthi basithume. Okuqala. Okay asal but we need Eish. I don't know how I can explain this.
Mhlambe futhi ngeke ngizwe nje lo mntwana lona obudujule kwenza njani bekuyimashi or bekunjani
Abekungasi bekuyimashi bekuyimashi ikhisha amakhulu so umfana ngathi umfana athendayo kumama Sunday school
ebedlule eceleni
yebo esedlule eceleni so kwenzakala ukuthi manje bamdudula igama lakhulwazi igama lakhulwazi so manje siloku siya e-police station nasesikoleni si-address lendaba yabo so abasiniki information ephelele so as a school like silimele sibuhlungu kakhulu kodwa asibuhlungu kodwa so ayikho nje so like ama-case like sifuna nokuvula ne-case kumele bacacile bakho mababuye back bangayenzi into abayenzayo basidubula nani nani because kanjalo yabona manje simile la endaweni ewakhe sifuna ukuya e-police station sifike sikhulume nabo as amamember wepaso nani nani futhi asiyibali ipaso as amalenas ile nto besayisho ku-principal as amalenas la sifuna ipaso in like sifuna le ndaba le ilandelele ilandelele sikwazi ukuthi sitshelwe ingapheli kanjalo because kwadubula umntwana la i-6 yaphela kanjalo nanamhlanje sazi ukuthi kwenzakala
so akuyona into yokuqala le
akuyona into yokuqala and yobustream angathi nosisho dijiliwe kuseni izolo nga-7 kule lapha eMichael yes so like into enzakala la itsakani ibuhlungu thina la ibuhlungu so ngithi mina namakula awahambe
njengoba nibona nje bafowethu ngishobile ngempela umphakathi namanje awukakayeki usasho ukuthi ayikhala udiniwe-ke lo mphakathi walapha eLokuzini lo mphakathi wala eTsakane udiniwe kakhulu lo mphakathi njengamanje imigwaqo eminingi esidlule sayibona la njengamanje ivaliwe njengoba nibona nje kuyasha njengamanje bashisa amathayi basabuza lento leyo ukuthi where is justice yomntwana odutshuliwe edlulele eceleni wadutshula ama-security ama-companies avikela abantu bokufika wadutshula lo mfana kodwa ayikukho i-action khona njengamanje uthathwayo so njengamanje this is why-ke ubona-ke uzobona nje usha amathayi kanje imigwaqo eminingi-ke lana iTsakane ivaliwe nje ngoba sikhuluma nje kusha nje amathayi nje kusha ithayi kuvala umgwaqo umphakathi uphume wonke ungaphandle labantwana bayekile esikoleni bahambe bayovula ikhesi follow up nje for the case evuliwe for umntwana kodwa abangathola ukunaka abangathola attention u-station commander kuba ngathi into entsha leyo kuye station commander wonke kube ngathi into entsha leyo kuye bafowethu ayihleke lento leyo njengamanje la lento leyo ikhombisana-ke nge-South Africa iyonke umuntu kampani yabantu bokufika idubula abantu kodwa idubula i-student west idubula umuntu wase-South Africa kodwa njengamanje kuyathuleka no-station commander waseTsakane uthi exercise le case akayazi. That is not good. That is not 100% not good. Afowethu asibonga kakhulu.